Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up Capital One mobile banking. So just follow these steps to download the Capital One mobile application and set up your account. So first is to enroll in Capital One online banking. So if you haven't already, you will need to enroll in online banking with Capital One before you can get started with the mobile application. So that's because you'll need an existing Capital One account, username, and password to sign in to the application. Now, enrolling in online banking is easy and only takes a few minutes, but you'll want to have the following information handy to make the process as seamless as possible. So first is your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Also your Capital One bank account or credit card account number, and a valid email address. Now to activate your account, you just have to click on Setup Online Access. Then from the Capital One website, just enter your information and follow the prompts to verify your information and create your username and password. Now to download the Capital One mobile application, once you've activated your online account, you will need to download the Capital One mobile application to your mobile device. So there are two easy ways to get the application. First, download it from the Apple Store if you have an iOS device or Google Play if you have an Android device. You can also get it by texting get to 80101 to have a download link sent to you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!